In this video, you will learn how to swap a face on a thumbnail with multiple faces on the image using Pikzels. So for this example, we are using this thumbnail that we have generated for a movie recap video, Your Honor. So for this example, we are swapping the face of this person right here in this thumbnail with Bryan Cranston's face so that it looks like this image here on the right. So we're going to use Pikzels, but before we do that, we need to go into Canva to isolate the face on this image. If you don't do that, Pikzels will get so confused on which face to swap to because there are many faces on this image. So let's go to Canva. So now we're going to upload the thumbnail we have generated, and we're going to scale the image to fit the template. This is an extremely important step. Watch carefully. Now what we're going to do is we're going to crop the image to only isolate his face in the center of the image. Just like that. And just leave it exactly it is. And hit share and hit download. Now let's hop over to Pikzels AI. Go to face swap. Here for the thumbnail, click upload file. And let's put in the cropped image we have just created. And now here it says upload file. This is where you upload the face that you want to swap to. So we have Bryan Cranston's image. Hit open. And now hit to generate. Okay, now we have the face swapped. And now we can download. And now let's hop back over to Canva. So right here, you will upload the image with the face swapped. Now this image is the exact same size as the thumbnail we generated. So what we can do is we're going to scale it to fit the template. And now we're going to drag in the original thumbnail. Do the same thing, scale it to fit the template. And now hit position. And we're going to move this image behind the other image we just created. Now we're going to crop the image so that it fits. If you see the seam line here, you're going to just have to move it around until you don't see the line as much. You don't need to be perfect, just do enough so that it doesn't look too obvious. And this is exactly how to swap a specific face on a thumbnail with multiple faces using this method. So Pikzels know exactly which face to swap to. Otherwise, it's going to get confused. Now, if you like this tutorial and you want to try out Pikzels for yourself, I have left a link in the description, and thanks for watching.